Ways to get a flat stomach without diet or exercise. A few small changes really can slim your midsection, but not because foods can burn belly fat. I hate to bust the bubble on this one, but flat belly foods aren't exactly a thing, especially when it comes to the idea that you can spot train certain areas of your body through the foods you eat. That said, some easy tweaks can reduce bloating and set you up for healthier habits both now and in the long term, without resorting to crazy and dangerous dieting techniques. Consider adding sources of potassium, calcium, and magnesium to your diet, and cutting back on sneaky sources of sodium, London says. The easiest place to start: make your daily snacks veggie and fruit-based, like an apple with nut butter, crudité with hummus and tzatziki, berries with yogurt, or swap a sweet potato or leftover roasted squash for bread in a sandwich. This naturally ups the mineral content and provides extra fiber for fewer grams of sodium overall. For short-term debloating, she advises going easy on the cruciferous veggies like kale and broccoli, legumes, and leafy greens. Even though they're extremely a nutritious choice most of the time, these fiber-rich foods can lead to some gas pain depending on how hydrated you are and how much fiber you usually eat. But if your goal is to lose weight overall, eating more real, wholesome foods and getting active is always a smart way to go. In the meantime, try these easy, science-backed changes for a flatter belly. 1. Go to bed earlier. Getting under the covers a little sooner doesn't just help you avoid late-night snacking. Missing out on a full night's rest slows down your body's metabolism, so if you want to rev up your calorie burn, plan on getting at least 7 hours of shut-eye. 2. Don't skip meals. Another metabolism-boosting tip: eat every 3 to 4 hours, and that should include making time for breakfast. Research shows that people who miss a morning meal experience a surge in a hunger-related hormone later in the day. Regular snacks, which should include fiber-filled complex carbs and protein, will keep you feeling full and your body burning calories at a steady rate. 3. Perfect your posture. Straighten up and your figure look better right away, advises the Biggest Loser trainer Kim Lyons. When your posture is good, you're automatically engaging and toning your stomach muscles, she says. If you need to remind yourself to stand tall, a few strategically placed sticky notes should do the trick. 4. Sip more water. Keep those fluids coming. Being dehydrated causes the body to hoard water, Leon says, leading you to carry up to 4 excess pounds around your midsection. Aim for at least 8 cups of water or other fluids daily. 5. Eat more H2O. Yep, you read that right. High-water foods like fruits and veggies will fill you up faster, London says. Start your meal with soup, salad, or her favorite pick, pre-dinner sliced crudité and spicy hummus. The combo of capsaicin, a spice, and hot peppers, and the chickpeas' soluble fiber can help curb hunger. 6. Brew some coffee. Another win for your cup of joe. Caffeinated coffee is a natural, mild diuretic, which helps you depuff by eliminating excess water in the body. Java's stimulating effects also keep things moving in your gut, London says. The regular bowel movements help with a flatter belly. 7. Snack on nuts. Research has linked eating nuts with having a lower waist circumference. Nuts are rich in monounsaturated fats, making them a more satisfying pick than pretzels. Make sure you stick to the unsalted versions to stave off sodium-induced puff, and keep in mind one serving is about a small handful. 8. Have a seat. Most women don't want to talk about it, but you really have to set aside a specific time each day to use the bathroom, notes Judith Reichman, MD, a professor of obstetrics and gynecology at the University of California, Los Angeles. If you don't, it's too easy to give into feeling rushed, and ignore the urge to go. Once you've trained your brain to dismiss your body's signals, you set the stage for bloat-inducing constipation. 9. Add milk to your breakfast. Pour low-fat milk on your morning cereal and you may have a belly-busting win. Diets high in calcium-containing foods have been linked with healthier body weight. Plus, the minerals found in dairy products, calcium, potassium, and magnesium, can help to counterbalance bloat-inducing sodium. 10. Eat more slowly. Rather than scarfing down meals, make a point of chewing each bite at least 10 times before swallowing. The body has to work overtime to break down food in the stomach and intestines, which can lead to major gas and indigestion, Dr. Reichman says. Plus, when you eat fast, you're more prone to swallowing air, which can ratchet up your risk of feeling a little puffy. 11. Choose more probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria that help your digestive system break down food, preventing the gastrointestinal issues that can keep you from having a flat stomach, explains nutritionist Johnny Bowden, Ph.D., author of The Most Effective Natural Cures on Earth. To ensure your plumbing is working at optimum capacity, Bowden suggests eating a daily serving of a probiotic-rich food like yogurt, kimchi, miso, sauerkraut, or buttermilk. 12. Don't forget about prebiotics. They're the non-living compounds that promote the growth of this beneficial bacteria. Veggies, fruit, nuts, beans, seeds, and 100% whole grains will give your body's probiotics the fuel they need to survive and thrive, London says. 13. Give up gum. Because chewing forces you to swallow more puff-producing air, it can also keep you from squeezing into your skinny jeans, explain researchers at the American College of Gastroenterology. If you need to freshen your breath, you're better off sucking on a mint. 14. Take a break. When you're frazzled, your body increases its production of steroids and stress hormones, which negatively affect your digestive system, causing major constipation, says Dr. Reichman. And as if that weren't enough, stress also amps up the production of cortisol, a fight or flight hormone that sends excess fat directly to your midsection in its attempt to protect your vital organs. To minimize tension, Dr. Reichman advises taking 20 minutes a day to relax. 15. Walk it off. Even if you can't get to the gym, try to squeeze in a 30-minute walk daily, Lyons says. The simple boost in metabolism will help you burn waistline fat more efficiently. And if you want to work out, skip those gadgets that promise miraculous abs in minutes. A study from Kansas State University found most devices designed to target abs, think infomercials, don't live up to their promises. You'll see better results with traditional exercise. So, if you learned something new today, then give this video a like, and share with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe so you will be notified on the next helpful video.